Okay, we are back for another review video. It's been a minute. This is going to be interesting. Got some action cameras. Right now it's just going to be unboxings. They're both by Akaso. One is the EK7000 Pro and the other one is the Brave 7LE. We're going to unbox them separately so I can break this down and we'll just see how they come out. Okay? Boom! Got the Brave 7LE now. Let's do the unboxing. So we're gonna see if we can do elegant this time. Take it from the bottom. Don't you do this to me now. Take it from the bottom. Let's drop it like it's hot. Come on now, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Okay. So we got front screen on this baby here. Let's do the twisty twisties. Don't you do this to me now. Come on. I want a twisty twisty. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, let me see if I can get this off somehow. Okay, at least I got it off this time. Let's try to get it off out of here. Okay. So the 7LE Bravo is a little bit high quality. I just got to figure out how to. It's too high quality. I can't get it open here. Let's see here. So open that. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a little bit higher quality. I can just feel it in my hands. It's not just weight. It's like a different plastic even. Just go ahead and rip these off. You know, that ASMR crap. Hold on, let me do it slow. Put the microphone's over here. Hope y'all got that. I think it's on noise cancellation. Okay, see that? I mean, you. Okay, I'm gonna have to get the one from the last review. You can see and feel the difference. You can't feel the difference. I can feel the difference. So this is the EX7000 Pro, and this is the Bravo 7LE. It's not just weight. It's the quality of the plastic, everything. Huge difference. I have a theory that pretty much everything in here is going to be about the same, except for they started on top with the 256 card from Akaso. Let's see where you put it at in this one. Now this one is internal. So let's see how you open it up. Ooh, I got it on the first try. Almost. Hold on. There we go. And you see you put it right, from what I can tell, you put it right here just like on a GoPro. Oh, they aping that sucker. Hold up. No. Okay, even had a good little clicky feel. Same little whatever these are. Read the instructions never. Oh, little strap there. USB to USB-C. They do have this sucker strapped up. You're never gonna run out of these, baby. Look at all this stuff in here. Another remote. We'll have to figure out how to pair it later. Throw this up on. I'm probably gonna use the other one on my car. We're gonna find out which one's better. Put them both on my car. Oh, I bet you I know what these are. These are like to. Well, I don't know. It's because those are now zip ties. Now that I look at it. So I don't know. Maybe these are like to when you mount it on stuff to not secure it. Make sure. And that's what that's for. Listen. Hold on. There we go. So now I can loosen that sucker up. Somebody's got to pick that cotton. Go back to the Chitlin circuit of the. Okay, so a different battery charger. I'm not going to say it feels that much better than the other one, but I'm not sure if they're using a different or same battery. And maybe I'm just feeling this way because of the camera itself. I feel this is I can't explain it. I kind of feel this is a higher quality battery, but I'm probably wrong. So I'm gonna get out there. So I'm gonna throw this one in, and I'm gonna charge it up. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna go driving and see which one is better and compare it against some other stuff. Hold on. It seems like these are just a slight bit larger. Okay. Yeah, I can just feel by the snap this is better. Let me see if it says on here which. Dual screen IPX7 4K 30 20 megapixel video. That's what I'm reading right here. It's got an app on Android and Apple. Got a club. All this crap's in the box you just saw. Splash proof remote. Yeah, but I got a remote. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Got the Brave 7LE here. Really trying to step it up. The quality was really there. I don't know if you guys felt that. I mean, you can't feel it through the camera, of course, but I really felt the difference in quality. I think this is going to be an interesting competitor. It doesn't do 4K 60. It does 4K 30. When you compare it against the other camera they have, the Akaso EK7000, doesn't even compare. I'm going to have to say this really is trying to compete against the GoPro series here. We're going to see what it's like, but it's definitely not doing 5.7K at 60 or anything like that. We'll see if it what it's going to look like when I do the other reviews, okay? But I think at the very least, this is going to be a really good I don't care camera. I don't know about the other one. We'll see. But this is going to be something real easy to slap on the roof and drive around, especially when I'm doing videos of neighborhood tours. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I really want to do a lot more of these videos for you guys because I'm lonely. Be like you guys in the Meat Canyon. See that new one? I'm so lonely. That's how I feel some days. That's why I do these videos. I'm so lonely.
I'm so lonely.